I see you. Hey, yo, Tino, hey, yo, Tino. Slack star, honey. I'm the rapper you've been waiting for. I'm the in a total. I'm the rapper you've been waiting for. I'm the talking, never talking money for my loose ends. For my daddy, it's always profits and they tell my loose ends. And the party give my daddy, they don't need but 2 cents. We see now what you get it to jet in that 2 days, sucker. Loose ends, loose ends, yeah, loose ends, nah, loose ends, loose ends, loose ends. Come on, see now what you get it to jet in that 2 days, slip. My son, my homie selling my jazz, man, feed you, and I see you lose. I mean, Argentina, Endonina, boss, for my soul, Bandi, Maga, on my feet, I got you. I got good and easy dinner, Wangu, Tessa, push a tool. No, but I sabatika, Wangu, we hear no truth. See my now, most and more ginger, things out with my voice. I'm a first paycheck, we'll go to boys, I'm a boys. Oh no, I will make it out in one game, and they used to muggers and the fire, and I'm mad, magic, carry, one river passing, Bobby, I don't pick up Kagumbari, I'm the same, when I'm out with you. Sensation, I'm as in Kulu, Mr. Really, yeah, Tolly Cass, Roma Lama King, Keeping Labo, one at big 5 C. I don't tell them, never talk and only for my loose ends. For my day, it's always profits and they tell my loose ends. And the party give a ditty, they don't need but 2 cents. We see now what you get it to jet and it 2 days.
Loose ends. Yeah. All right. Good afternoon once again. We're back at it again. This is pretty much the last interview for this month. I've decided to sort of take 1 week break, because I don't feel okay, in terms of not that I'm sick, but in terms of mental issues, and all that. So I've decided to sort of take a young break to sort of regain the energy, and come back alive, man, because I feel like right now my energy has really dropped over the past few days. So I was like, let me just give myself this long awaited break. So I hope you enjoy this last interview. I just came from another amazing interview with Authentic. It was really beautiful. It was amazing. If you missed it, please make sure to go on YouTube tomorrow and search sit down interview with Ice Eazy. It will definitely be available on YouTube, or you can go to my IGTV and check it out. But my guest is already out here on the comments. I can see her waving. I can see Dafaza waving. Authentic, my guest from the previous interview, is also out here on the comments. Shout out to you, King. Thank you so much. I can see Lesejo saying hello. How are you, Queen? How are you? I hope you're all good. I hope you're all fine. If you're tuning in for the first time, this is the sit down interview with Ice Eazy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing creatives, amazing personalities, amazing brands. It doesn't matter if you got 1,000 followers, 10,000 followers, 100,000 followers, or 1 million. You're definitely welcome to the sit down interview with Ice Eazy. If you'd like to be on this platform, you can simply send me a DM. Let's pick up a date. Unfortunately for this month, this is my last interview because I want to take a young break, for like a week. So next week, Wednesday, 1 July, I'll be back again. So if you'd like to be out here on the sit down interview, just send me a DM. Let's sort it out. Definitely welcome to the sit down interview. I can also see Yanda Rose waving on the comments. Shout out to you, Queen. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Let me try bringing my guest on board. How are you guys doing? Issue. Kiddo Bubbly. Issue. Kiddo. Shout out. Yo, the vibe is always crazy. Issue. Hey, the vibe is always crazy. The vibe is always crazy. The vibe is always crazy out there. Yo, you gotta keep with that vibe, you know.
Let me switch out the music.
Yo. What an intro. What an intro. What a crazy intro for the first time on the sit down interview.
Hey.
Shout out to you one time.
No, I got you.
What's happening?
I got you. You said you're feeling down, and I'm like, my kid.
Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. Yo. Shout out to you one time. You know, your vibe is crazy. You know, like I'm feeling super down today. I'm really, you know, for the past 2 days, you know.
What up?
I don't know what's happening with me. I think I've been working too much, you know, so it's sort of like getting to me right now. So I was like, let me take the long awaited break. Then as soon as I'm up again, probably next week, Wednesday, I'm gonna be alive and active, you know. But yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for boosting the vibe. Shout out to you on time.
I
You look beautiful, by the way.
got you.
How's your day been going out so far?
What?
How's your day been going out so far?
Well, it's been really chilled. Nothing much.
She chilled with you.
Going on.
I doubt you ever chilled, you know. So if you're saying chilled, I think it's the wrong word.
I do. What? I'm so offended.
No, you're such a vibe, you know. I don't know where you get your energy. I really need your sauce, cause hey, your energy is always crazy. Your energy is always crazy. I can see how the comments are going crazy right now. Tafatso is saying hello. Lesejo is laughing and saying the vibe is crazy. You know, I can see also
a good friend. I only met
Pani Zulu. Pani Zulu is also saying the vibe. My girl is got you Ice Eazy. Shout out to you on time, Pani Zulu. Yeah, that's it. Hey, Pani Zulu is the hype man.
Yeah.
Shout out to you one time. You know, how's the lockdown been treating you so far?
Lockdown? What's that?
Yo.
Who knows? Does anyone know what lockdown? I'm joking. But then I haven't been really on lockdown, fam. I mean, ever since the whole thing has been eased, I've been in and out, you know. And I got vibe, I got friends around, so they're making things really easier for me. I haven't even realized that I'm still on lockdown, you know. I just feel like everything's normal.
Yo, shout out, everything is crazy. Everything is amazing. Going straight to the biggest question on the sit down interview, which I'm sure the viewers are actually waiting to hear the answers for. Who is Kiddo Bubbly? What do you do, and where you from? Yeah.
Scares me the most.
Yeah, who is Kiddo Bubbly, and what do you do, and where are you from?
Okay, so Kiddo Bubbly was born and bred in Florida, but is currently in New Dorfontaine. I'm currently schooling at UJ first year. I'm doing nursing. Yeah, even though I haven't like enjoy all that due to cold now, so yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. And ever since this lockdown started, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna answer to my calling, because now if you look at my calling is an entertainer, when I want energy, it helps.
That's right.
So yeah, I can say
and
telling me.
Yeah, and how's been the journey of being an entertainer so far?
That's been really great. Like, so what I did is I've entered into modeling.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm collaborating with Relax Nation, of which I'm their IG as well. So yeah, you all can
shout out those.
Relax Nation photography. Are like bang, I tell you. It's not only photography. They've got hoodies. It's a brand where we've got hoodies. We currently we're soon going to launch sweatpants, and then with that being said, I'm also collaborating with 365. You all can follow 365 Real Squad. Yeah, they also have hoodies and are planning to launch more hoodies since it's winter. And then I've actually renovated my Instagram.
Yeah, hey, I saw that. I saw the rebranding.
You saw that, right?
It's really beautiful. Yeah, it's really
Thank
beautiful.
you, thank you, thank you. So I renovated my Instagram. It's looking flames. It's looking.
Yeah,
Y'all can see like the difference between when I was still in Ligronya. I wanna katoma grow.
yeah.
I lost a bit of time. Oh,
Yo,
so,
kiddo.
so
Yeah,
on top of that, I opened a YouTube channel with my girlfriend, which is Bunny Zulu, the one who's dominating the comments right now. That's my girl. Shout out.
yeah.
So
Hey, shout out to Pani one time. She's a vibe. She's the hype
yeah,
man.
she's a fish. She's like that. So we started a YouTube channel and it's been going really good. I think we started like 10 days ago and we're on 103 subscribers, 300 and something
Yo,
followers.
that's a vibe.
So yeah, guys, thank you for your support, like all the way. For those who don't know the YouTube channel, it's Nella Squared. I'm gonna type it under here right now. Sorry, eyes.
All right. No
Yeah.
problem, no problem. And in terms of our content, what should we expect from the YouTube channel?
Well, y'all can expect vibes, like vlogs. We're gonna be doing vlogs soon, but currently we just did an
Yeah,
intro video, and then we did the Don't
yeah,
Leave challenge, and we
yeah.
have and we asked people to vote between Team Kiddo or Team Bunny, and
All
so
right.
far Team.
You pay me.
So yeah, but then it's not about that. It's about
Yeah,
the content, guys. The content.
yeah.
Yeah, we're soon launching a video about how our orientation week was. Guys, stay tuned. I've got a lot of stories to tell you. Get started tell like a comedian,
Hey,
all in one.
and how's been the TikTok journey so far? Because I can see you're really big on TikTok. You're always making all these
Oh,
hilarious videos all the
TikTok!
time.
Ish. Wait a minute, TikTok. It's hard to grow on TikTok, honestly, because not
Yeah,
many, not many people like have TikTok to follow people. They just go there to just watch videos, you know.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I can say my inspiration in TikTok is Kopi the Entertainer. I don't know if you all know him, but then he's like collaborating with King Munada from Limpopo.
All right.
So yeah, he's the one who
Yeah.
inspired me on TikTok, and so far it's been going well. But I currently use TikTok just for fun, just for entertainment, just entertain myself, not to get bored. It's nothing serious at the moment. Maybe in future I will take it serious, but now, still on my YouTube and
Yeah.
Insta.
Yeah, all right. You're such a vibe. That's facts. You're really such a big vibe, a big mood, and that's facts. I would like to. I'm sure the viewers also want to know this. How was your childhood and what actually really contributed to who you are right now? Because you're such an amazing person.
Wow. My childhood, ne. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's like really deep, but then it's okay.
Let's get deeper as we can get.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I grew up without my parents. My parents didn't really raise me. My parents left me and my sister when we were really young, and we stayed with like family friend of some sort. Yeah, and it wasn't nice. It really wasn't nice. But then, regardless of that, I always liked. I was a very talkative child. I've always been talkative, and
Yeah.
whenever they asked me what I wanted to do when I grew up, I just said I wanted to be a model. But then, even though I knew
Yeah.
that a model didn't really get paid that much, so that was like the thing that I always wished for, and I'd like, okay, I'd like makeup, still my thing, our aunt's makeup, and do the
Yeah.
makeup on when she's gone, and then I'd obviously get in trouble for like obviously being like what's going
Oh,
to
snap.
I'd mess things
Yeah.
up, and I'd pretend to be acting, stuff like that. So like I feel like the thing always started when I was young. I even got different kind of nicknames. And I remember when, okay, so I started living with my parents when I was in like grade 7.
Yeah.
And then they left again when I was in grade 9. And they came back when I was in grade 11. So I can say that I grew
Yeah.
up with my sister. My sister is just like my mother, a sister and mother and everything. So I never really had
Yeah.
both parents. But then they were supportive here and there, just that they were not with us, right?
Yeah, so that's how
Yeah.
it is. And I can say that in grade 7, I remember it was on Freedom Day, and I kind of like took the lead role in Sarafina dance, the Sarafina
Yeah,
act.
yeah, yeah.
And then, oh my gosh, someone's just commented Miss Hair Food.
Oh, who's that? I haven't seen that.
That's my friend Kat, and the hair food thing he took it from YouTube on our current video. Yeah, on our recent video.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, so I took the lead role on that drama, and I then got the nickname Sarafina for some
Yeah.
reason. It'd be nice to get my my primary classmates texting me like, "Do you remember the Sarafina thingy that you did?" I'm like, "Oh my god, you guys still remember?" And then when I started my high school, I used to like taking lead roles in creative arts. When there's acting, there's dance, you name it all, anything with creativity. So
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, that's it. So yeah, I think this thing has always been in me, but then I just started um following it. This I actually thank Corona for this thing, because yeah, it really helped.
It actually opened up some doors in you.
Yeah. My sister just joined. Shout out to Janola Logan, guys. That's my sister, my mother, my pillow friend,
Hey,
everything.
shout out to her one time. Are you looking forward to venturing into acting?
Yes, like with all my heart. But then like trying my best to yeah to get there. But then getting the recognition is kind of really hard. And yeah, shout out to
Yeah,
Meet, guys, my brother.
yeah. So, any plans of doing that anytime soon, or it's just something that's just in your head at the moment?
Well, I'm currently looking into it. I'm just not pushing it.
Yeah,
I don't push it. I don't want to push my luck. So I'm just having this thing of that whatever happens, happens. So if I like get something now, I'll grab it. I'll grab the opportunity with both hands. But then even if it's not now, it's still okay because I need to get my degree first, and then yeah, then
yeah.
kabatsena, calling yaka.
Hey,
Yeah. Because
shout out. I
yeah,
can see
need
as I
to get
can see the comments are going crazy. Yo, hey, shout out to everybody who's tuning in. If you just tuned in right now, welcome to the sit down interview with Ice Eazy, where I get to sit down and talk to amazing creatives, amazing personalities, and amazing brands. And my guest right now is an amazing personality, extraordinary. And she goes by the moniker of Kiddo Bubbly. So
yeah.
yeah, whenever you see a name, please make sure to click whatever it is, be it YouTube, be it TikTok, or whatsoever. Just click on the link. Just click on the link. And yeah, what should we expect from Kiddo Bubbly anytime soon?
Ha! Guys, expect the unexpected.
Yeah,
I don't even know what to expect from myself anymore. It's just like I just surprised
yeah.
myself where I'm just like chilled and like, okay, I'm not gonna do anything huge, and then boom, everything just goes well. So yeah, I can say
You've
you
done
guys
something.
can expect to see Kiddo acting somewhere, motivating. Just expect it, guys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Expect expect
We
to see Kiddo presenting somewhere. Expect to see Kiddo modeling somewhere, and yeah, expect to
must
see Kiddo
definitely must.
new photographer. What's bad?
And are you looking forward to being an MC at
Of
events?
course.
Because I feel like you got the vibe. I feel like you got the vibe. I feel like it's something you can kill for real.
Mm-hmm. I haven't
So are
really
you
looked
looking forward to
at
it?
it, but then
Yeah,
since you're saying it now, I'm like really considering it. So, guys, whoever is here on live, should you need someone to
to
hype up your
entertain.
party, I'm here. Kimo, Kona, I guess here.
Hey, shout out. Hey, such a vibe, such a vibe. That's something I really needed today, big time. Because
I'm
hey, I
glad
can't
you
even
guys.
do,
I was just telling Bunny
you
now
know,
before you like edit me on the live. I'm like to Bunny. Ice is saying he's feeling down, and I'm down
yeah.
too. Like, I don't know
Yo,
if it's really normal, but then I really hate it when someone is sad. So I'm just like all
yeah,
about changing people's moods. I don't. I hate sad people. So if you said
yeah.
guys girly. Come sad, I'll fix your mood, guys. Mrs. Fixer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out, shout out, shout out. Yeah, I haven't seen you in a long time, man. I haven't
Yeah,
seen you
I
in a
miss
long
you.
time.
I miss
Yo,
you.
it's been a while, yo. It's been a while.
Well, we need to link up soon.
Yeah. You know, I'm afraid of Corona right now. So I'm really afraid of traveling for real. I'm really
Okay,
afraid of
guys,
traveling.
I'm sorry to disturb you. So I just saw, I don't know if you've seen this comment. It says, yeah, it Ice Eazy. Thank you for touching the subject of her being a presenter.
Thank you so much. Shout out. You know, I'm bringing the best out of it, making sure everything is coming out. You know, top notch. And in terms of our photography, you know that modeling, you know that what's next? What's on the way? What are your plans?
Okay, so I'm a free person, free spiritual, as you can see, ne? So
Yeah, that's true.
yeah, so the first shoot that I did was just like a few weeks back, and I happened to do all type of shoots, including nude shoots. So
Yeah,
since I'm like really free to do such, I'm thinking of being diverse when it comes to modeling, as in like I can enter into lingerie, full nude shoots, formal shoots, casual shoots, brand shoots. So any type of shoots. I think I got it. I could
yeah.
provide everything. So yeah.
Then
L is
in terms of monetizing, if you manage to sort of like monetize what you do, being a model, online YouTube and all that.
well, starting with YouTube. With YouTube, you only
Yeah,
monetize with 1,000 subscribers, so it's
yeah.
still tight. But then I was on live with Chatteron Betty. I was on live with Chatteron Betty the
Shout
other
out.
day, guys. And
Yeah,
he's like one of my YouTube inspirations. He's my muse. So yeah, and he was explaining the YouTube thing. And I think for now I'm just gonna relax when it comes to monetizing on YouTube, because the road is still in isasendele guys nabona. So and by the way, I'm just doing
yeah,
this for fun. I'm just it's nothing really permanent for now. It's just like me having
yeah,
fun, me relaxing, because the course that I'm doing, it's really stressful. So I just feel like this can be something that can help me relax. And besides, so on YouTube I'll start making money after I 1,000 subscribers. So yeah. And then
yeah,
on modeling, I haven't really started monetizing real money, hard cash.
yeah,
But
yeah.
then I can say that soon, the cash, the moolah. Kahle soon. Ke tlo ba ngwana Tombo weni, guys. Lizobona. Watch this space.
Yo, shout out.
And
Shout out.
I hope my thing is my founders of these brands that I'm working for are watching. Ukuthi ngidinga imali, guys. You all need to start paying up for reals.
Shout out to you one time.
Me on live.
Oh, shout out to the mom. Shout out to you. Oh, welcome. Swisiphethe indodakazi la. Shout out to you, mom. And Kiddo, you know, one famous thing on YouTube is story time, and I feel like you got a lot of stories to tell. So can you please give us some story time, Nyana? Maybe 2 stories, you know, something like that. Yeah, let's go. First story time by Kiddo Bubbly out here. And by the way, we're sharing this on YouTube, so this is gonna be available on YouTube forever. So please give us 2 story times.
Okay, I'll consider that, though. I kind of like feel like story times is not getting too cliche, since everyone on YouTube is just like story time. So I was just like, with my stories, I'm just gonna okay, wait. Someone said they put their exam aside just to look at me. Wow, that's my friend. That shout out.
Hey, shout out to Chantel one time. Yeah. So, 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 so,
what I'm saying is that I was thinking that with stories, I wouldn't really like sit down and tell people story time with Kiddo Bubbly. I'd like
Yeah,
mention my stories in saying like for the video that we currently shot, we're still editing it. There is a story that
yeah,
I saw in on the video, even though the video wasn't on all about the story time. So you guys should just like look out for the stories on whatever that we shoot. As long as it's a sit
yeah.
down, okay, just know that there's always something interesting. There's always a story in that thing. It's not gonna be story time with Kiddo. Yeah.
So, okay, can you give us one story right now? Since you're not going to do a straightforward video, so give us one right now on the sit down interview. This is not a directing, so it's right now. So can we get one story right now?
Okay, one story. Okay, I've
Yeah.
got two stories in mind already. So I've got two people behind
Oh,
me. Let me just
give us two
one
then.
story. So give me a second.
Now give us two
Um,
then, since it's two.
and fun. Should I tell you
Yeah.
first video we had?
Shout out to everybody just tuned in right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm sorry about my vibe today. I'm really low. I don't know what's happening on my end, but that's why I'm sort of like taking a break. So this is the last episode for June. I'll be back as from 1 July. Sort of like trying to, keep time to myself, get some rest. Because hey, when I start working, I never stop. I'm a working machine. So I can work 24 hours a day and never stop. So, I think I really deserve a break right now. So, yeah, that's it. That's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are currently waiting for Kiddo Bubbly to give us a story, and she's back. She's ready to talk. Let's
I'm
listen. Let me keep
back.
quiet. Yeah,
Okay, so the people behind me chose the story where Bunny, Zulu, and I did our first YouTube video while we were high. I'm sure no one knew
yeah,
this, and I'm sure no one noticed this, but we were like cack high when we did the first video, the intro. So what
yeah,
happened is that Bunny and I were like, okay, so we are Nestos funded, right? And then guys, so it's just like this
yeah,
month, last month, I actually like put all my money on my photo shoot, my makeup, my clothes, my hair, my nails,
yo,
and Bunny on the other side had a date.
yo.
She bought a whole outfit from head to toe. She even forced me to do her hair. Miguel like wasted all the money on her outfit to that she was planning to meet with a guy, ne? And
Oh my God.
it happened that the guy dropped her last minute. In fact, the guy dropped it the day before the date, guys. Like legit.
Damn.
Yeah, and I'm sure if the guy is watching this, go when. Anyways, so my girl had planned, mind you, mind you, we didn't buy grocery. We didn't buy grocery.
Yo.
Like we were like using the last the last money for whatever I wanted to do. So naka it's a photo shoot yaka, and it happened that my photographer and I like got along really well, and yeah, that's how I started waiting for him and handling his IG because I'm like camera friendly. So we ended up deciding on visiting Freedom Park to cheer Bunny up since the date dropped her. So we got there. Bunny is from Freedom Park. So we got there. We didn't go to
Yeah.
her mom's house. And mind you, she hasn't been home for like 3 months.
Oh snap. Oh
I just
snap.
hope
That's
Bunny
been
is
done.
this because Bunny will be in shit. So we
Yo.
went to Freedom Park. And then when we got there, when guys really were all the vibes. They were happy to see us and stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the guys were on some, you guys must try new things, and then we're on some, what are new things? And then like dirty pipes on vibe, and then they're on some lean. You know what lean is? They're
Yeah.
currently
Yeah.
active at Rhythm City Barikis Laza.
Yeah. Yeah.
I hadn't tried that before. So when we reached Go Freedom Park, when I see the Mugayings by the dirty pipe there, And then Yitilava, you know
Yeah.
the type has weed. Yitilava smoking dirty pipes, and then on the side they roll the joint. I think those guys tried to kill us, and I saw one of them here on the live. When I'm there, low, I know your plans wanted to kill us. Anyways, they wanted to kill us, those guys. When I so they rolled the weed, man. And I found
Yeah.
they gave it to me. But please start it for us. How man Kiddo Kina Kalaita. I get it one pull, get it two pull, get it that pull, get it a pasa, by Inca, but one pull by Krisa. I'm like, hi man. These guys, why are they doing this? Get it that pull, first pull, get it, pass by the end. You can finish it. Get it bunny. Oh, no, Naki sharp. I guys, it didn't get that for. I sharp, my eyes are starting to be, because of the weed.
Yeah.
But have you ever tried lean? There's nothing. There's no harm in trying it. It ain't gonna do. It ain't gonna do nothing to you. Until now, I'm scared of it.
I can see someone in the comments saying, "Yo, drank Slaza."
Yeah, hey, Masa, you don't know. It's made me drink Slaza. And guys, again, kill me. I'm never going to try that thing again. And please, guys, if you've never tried it, please don't. Take my advice. Ningalinye, guys, in Fuzelanto. Ha! Kina ona, hey, Inga Slaza Jo.
Yeah.
It's.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I really need this for real. Oh, your network is acting up.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're back again right now. So can you take it from the Slaza? No, let's take it from the Slaza.
Okay. So they put the Slaza and China tasted like cold drink. Ne. So
Yeah.
Hi. Get a second cup. Libani and Ori. Hazisha so. Second cup. Third cup. Hi, right to me. Hurry at the intro video. Sajutana, like we're not ready, guys. We always said we're gonna do the intro video. Okay. And then Mugai Muga camera. Ari. Intro video, okay, it's available. And then we just came up with this thing. Finish greeting now. It says, hey guys, welcome to YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We came up with that, and then Shabele, we talking Parati inside, Parasite one side, Petupani no Kiddo. And then the eyes are red. Momo guys, they're letting us like that. Mind you, when we went there, remember we spent all the money eyes there. So when we went there, I said, Pandan Eguza, Sioniga Sonbona Yokubuye. Hey! My mama. We didn't have money to go back home.
Yo.
We finished the video. How I should tell her. Let me finish the story. Tough times, guys are nasty. This guy is dead. He's laughing. I thought he was rushing. So, guys.
I'm listening now.
Yeah, let's continue. Pela, hey, Bella. Okay, fine.
Yeah,
okay, after the video, which Pela, since it's COVID, but guys, 6, you guys are supposed to be home. Sometimes you guys need to be at inside. Hi, Kabama.
Yeah.
5:30 inyana so right guys harizaye ngabo
Yeah.
harizaya hayibo guys bariyo you guys are a vibe vele would like to have you guys around so hi okay thank you next time we're coming kiri nako bani phela mugayi omunguli bani kari ba fentsana nyana babo
Yeah.
kiri nako bani wena go to that guy and say to that guy, he should give us, remind him the Leashandis, Yokibel, Ching ching.
Yeah.
Phela that's asinangiswa no 1 rand. Hey, my mama. Wait, fine. Hi, see. Ubani athule ngitshele Ice. Bunny kept quiet, guys. I told her that before we reached the taxi rank, she should have asked for money. Bunny kept quiet. We arrived. Vele, the guy is covering us with his friends. And then we arrived got taxi rank, and then kibeta Bunny oh, chelete. Bunny ari. This is what she said. I'm gonna do the way she did it. Okay. So we're waiting there with the guys, and then they're about to come by a taxi for us. But guys, come on, Kibela. Tell her, Imani, I see you Kibela.
Oh.
She did the way I said, guys, Sifuna Imani, man, just depend man. What's it mean?
Yo, funny is a vibe, yo.
What's it mean? Choma. Kanti, angizange ngutshela before. Ubani athi, hey guys, mina ngisahlala. Ngisela ngitheni nasiphande yokuza, mina nizosibona. Azishe, khiphani imali. Mama, guys don't have money. Time is going. Time. We need to be at rest, Kasi. Ice. Hi. But guys, you guys are not serious. You're not lucky Tutsi. I'm no longer lucky Tutsi, guys. Guys, I'm quiet. Guys, yo. But guys, listen, guys. Ariban, yeah. Kinaka chaltana. Ngo safika ngana Perez. Yo. Ngithule eza Ice mean. Phela ngisazi since ngihlazekile umngani nawe ngiphela ngihlazi. Wait. Abo guys vele. Abo guys now behlanganisa amakhana vele. Hayi. Bakhiphi 50. Bakhiphi 50 velo guys. Abasiguy 50. I 50 is more than it. Hayi. Sigibele taxi sile taxi lesigibele ilevel esilethile yabo. Should the driver what is upset hayi sokubona abangani. Wathi hayi ibona abangani la bafana lapha. Sa driver bangani vele. Asibusele u driver. Shoot la driver bayagcwele ngestyle asegcwele ngevibe yethu ashiye duze vele nasegesi yabo. Mara, our house is like at a quiet place. There's this bridge and abonya pairs. There's no lights in there. Just when we're in the taxi, they lean. It is not okay, kaya no. Hey, kira make it slow. Kira funny. When are we going to get to rest? Bunny, what time is it? Benji, make it slow. Libani liena I think Arabas do yo Joe kids wait guys you swear when your best hey mama hey la boga it's in bed so we took the change, we walked, and then there's this restaurant that we've never seen before, guys. Like it was legit our first time seeing that restaurant, guys. Ice is dead with laughter. Now I don't understand. It's like I can understand. Ice, please come back. Come back to that. So hey, when we saw this restaurant, I've never seen it before, but then we entered there. We're like, guys, we want food. They're like, hey, the food is finished. So the only thing left is uputu and meat and salads.
No, yeah, I still can't get over. I still can't get over the fact that you were still for a mom.
So we are like to those people who got restaurant era. Just give us what you have. Now as long as there's meat, kishap, because akirata nama. How we took the food. Ratsana mo breaching la jo in the libonya pes in the dark. Savannah. And luckily nothing happened to us. We got to rest. Boma malums bari and then rarai malums trafiki. Sangena vele. Masfia sasair mina kapan. So Pani and I have the tendency of sharing a room, even though like we're not roommates. Sair mina kapan. Gitsin pesa ga ko abuzo munye. Sibega my back pants at a spoon. Shone clean. I don't remember asking her if the food is nice or if the food makes sense to you. I ate. I've got the following day, me.
Yo.
Come on, 3.
Oh, snap.
3 p.m.
And Barney was still dead as well.
It has done that time. Hey, mama, I did not study. I ran away. We made it work. Why it's in Pena? Bunny was busy with the laptops on the side, little slides on the side, little phone. And yeah, we nailed it 84% on the dot. Sure. Sure. So on top of that, we didn't have grocery. We started calling home.
Yo.
Hey, mama, good half. We slept without eating. Ning. Wait thinking. Asnang is your name. Oh, poor shape. You see, cats. Cat is on the live. Cat knows the struggle. We actually went to his house to ask for food. Guys, Cat is a lifesaver and he doesn't know it. He's only finding out today that he was a lifesaver on that day.
Yeah.
So I can gladly say, guys, anyways, yeah, that's the story, guys. So yay. Never know why okay, and my sister is saying the lines we told her. Oh yeah, we told
Yeah, the lines they told me.
Go home and tell them that we're begging for money for bread on the street. We told her to go tell our parents for hey, following day they called us at home, they bought us groceries. So yeah, shout out to my parents and Bunny's parents.
Yo, Tramen girl. And your sister is out here watching.
Yeah, my sister is watching. She knows that one. We make her put up an act when we need money at home.
Yeah. Yo, shout out to your sister one time, yo.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm really gonna use this for the promo of the show, you know.
Okay. I'm actually honored. I'm like, wow.
Shout out to you one time, you know. Hey, it's been over 45 minutes. Yo, it's been over 45 minutes and we out here and I didn't see that car. Yo.
Oh my god, I think I have to go home like now. Bunny and I have to go home. My dad wants to see us in like a few minutes. So yeah.
Yeah. Oh, shout out. All right. Since you have to go home, any final words before we wrap this up? You know, to other victims of slurs out there, you know, to other upcoming entertainers like yourself, you know, and everything.
Okay, guys. Hey. Take it from someone experienced, experiment, and does it all. Do not, I repeat, ungalinge it. Islaza yofa. Dead.
Oh my God, the network is starting to act up again. Yeah, we're good again. We're good. Yeah, we're good now.
Okay, so guys, and on behalf of Bunny, never buy a new outfit for a date. Mugai Otauri. Drop. Don't buy it. These guys vacile. And someone just requested for you to save this on your IG live. So yeah.
Definitely, it's gonna be on my IGTV as well as on YouTube. So definitely.
Yeah. So guys, do not. Ningaleke. Tell me. Ningaithenga outfit entsha for guy. Vacile laba. And futhi, don't go there. Ningenayo kubuya guys. Le ndaba yokuthi phandle ubuza zokubona. I said, don't. And Slaza, guys, Slaza, don't. Like, yo, nizofa, guys. Slaza, ningalinge. Guys, ningalinge. Nami ngisho, Ice. If you see me drinking Slaza, kill me, guys. Kill me.
Yo, definitely. I'm gonna be gatekeeper.
And guys, for stories, follow at Nella Squared, YouTube, on Instagram, it's Kiddo.Bubbly. Yeah, on TikTok, it's Kiddo.Bubbly, and on Facebook, it's Sunny Lavalia. But then I never really pay much attention in, and what's this, in Facebook. So if Funamina land up Instagram stand, right? And please guys, if you need anything that's really important, don't start by just greeting me first and wait for me to answer you back, because I'm not gonna do that. So just get to the point. If you're gonna land on me on my IG, what's this, DMs. So yeah. And feel free to slide in my DMs. Not
Shout out.
guys.
Shout out. I can see someone in the comments saying me included, Kiddo. I don't know what she's talking about exactly.
I think he's talking about guys being silly.
Let's see what else. Our sister is saying shout out to Ice Eazy for giving me a chance. Thank you so much for tuning in. She's an amazing person. So I had to do nothing but to give her a chance, and bring her out here on the sit down interview. And it's been great, it's been an amazing 45 minutes. She's an amazing personality. Like she said, please go and follow her everywhere. Show her love, subscribe to their YouTube channel, watch their videos and everything. And yo, Kiddo, hey, it's been a long time. I haven't seen you in a long time. So yeah, I really miss you. I need to see you real soon. I need to see you real soon.
I miss you too, bro. I miss you too.
Yeah. I will definitely. Shout out. Thanks to everybody tuning in one time. She has to go right now to see the father. Luckily, she's not on Slaza today, but yeah, it's been amazing. It's been a great day. Thank you so much for accepting the invite. I'm just joking around. Thank you for accepting the invite. I really wish to see you shine, and I'm gonna be out here supporting you all the way up. And yeah, stay shining. Stay energetic as you are. Don't be afraid to try anything, any new experiences, any new careers. Don't be afraid. Stay the way you are. And may God bless you.
Thank you, Ice, and thank you to my followers. I think they really came out for me. Like I feel like my life, like a lot of people participating, and I'm really grateful, guys. Yeah, because like when I had that yesterday, everyone just like put it on the social platforms. So I was like, really appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much.
Shout out to you one time. Enjoy the rest of the day, right?
Thank you. You too. Let's try Slaza, guys. Bye.
Goodbye.
Oh wait.
Oh,
just a minute. Just a minute. Just
all right. Yeah.
So I think that thing ain't going
Let's go.
Okay, guys, I'm not really a piano fan, but then I like everything. I see. Oh yeah. Turn the camera back. I see.
Oh, I can hear the music right now. You sure?
Hey. I'll see you. Never tell.
Oh my gosh, she's an amazing dancer.
I'll see you. Yeah.
Hey, the network keeps acting up. Yeah.
Hi, Valega. Hi, Kitima. Valega. Yeah. Hey.
Oh my god, the network is acting up again. Yeah.
How's she? How's she? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes, baby. How's Zulu? How's Zulu?
Shout out to you one time. Shout out to you one time. Thank you so much for this amazing vibe, for this amazing energy. All right. Oh, she just left. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that was Kiddo Bubbly, an amazing personality like you have seen. Please make sure to go out there and follow her. And if you're tuning in for the first time, this is the sit-down interview. Unfortunately, I'm taking a break for a week. I'll be back as from 1 July with more amazing guests. In the meantime, for this week that I'll be taking a break, you can catch up on previous interviews on my IGTV, or you can go on YouTube and search Sit Down Interview with Ice Eazy. All episodes will definitely appear. And please subscribe to the Nice Entertainment YouTube channel and drop your comments and all that. Until we meet again, goodbye. I love you all.